Hello everyone. Today we will create a Windows server and we will deploy a website in it. Let's start it. First, we will go to our AWS management console. Now click on search bar and search for EC2 instance. Click on it. You can see we have 0 instance and first we will create a new instance and then we will launch it. Click on launch instance and give it name my new server. You can give any name. Now select machine image for your instance. You can click on browse more AMIs or you can click from these files also. We will browse for this. We will select any free tier window file. Go to down and click Microsoft Windows Server 2022 base because this is a free tier eligible. We will use T2 micro instance type. This is also free tier eligible. To connect to your instance with the RDP, you have to create a new key pair. So let's create it and give it name my new key and save this key as .pem file. Click on create key pair. You can save it anywhere. I'm saving it on desktop. Now go to down and go to network setting. Here for instance firewall protection, we will create a security group because we are launching our instance with RDP. So first we will click on it. Then we will also check HTTP and HTTPS protocol because we will access our RDP through these protocols. So check on it and click on anywhere on it. Go to storage. We will get 30 GB and this is general purpose SSD. So click on it. You can also add new volume for your use, but we are not going to use this. You can also add some advanced details. Uh, you can change its shutdown behavior to terminate or stop. You can also change its termination protection by enable or disable it. You enable your termination protection and it will protect your instance if accidentally your instance terminated. We are not using this. And now leave everything as default and launch instance. Launch instance. Now our instance successfully installed, and to check click on instances. Our instance is in pending state and in 1 or 2 minutes it will change to running state. Refresh it. Now its status check is initializing. We will wait until it will change to 2 by 2 checks. It will take 5 to 10 minutes. What we will skip this time. In this time we will click on instance and view its details. Now you can see its public IP is this and this is its private IP instance running, and this is its VPC. This is subnet ID and key pair that we have downloaded. Now check again, click on refresh. You can see status check is 2 by 2 checks passed. If these two checks are passed, then you will able to access the instance. Now again click on it, and to see what these checks are, click on status checks, and first check is a system status check and second is instance checks, and these two are passed. And now to access EC2 instance, click on connect. First select instance and then click on connect, and now we will click on RDP client. Now download a remote desktop file, click on save. It's successfully downloaded, and now click on get password and upload key that we download. And now we will decrypt this key. Now we will copy the password and save it on text file. Now go to downloads, click on it and open RDP file. Click to connect and save the password that we just decrypt. Click on OK. Click on yes. Now you can see our instance is connected by RDP. On right top corner, you can see there is some information about this instance, and you will also see the private IP address and the public IP address. These addresses are the same as our instance IP addresses. Now to see, click on instance, and this is a now see its public address and its public address are same, 52.40.213.230, and private is 172.31.25.2. Now maximize it. And now deploy a website on EC2 instance. You need a web server. In Windows, IIS is a web server which is available as default, but we need to enable it. So to enable it, we will click on Start and click on Server Manager. Wait for some time. It's initializing. Now to deploy a web server, click on Add Roles and Features. Click on Next and click on Role Based or Feature Based Installation. Click on Next. Now check this box and select a server from the server pool and click on next. We will have to click on web server IIS. Now click on it and add features. Click next. Again click on next. Again click on next and click on next again. We will click on install to install the web server. What you can also restart the destination server automatically if you required. But we will not click on it and we will click on install. You can see our installation process is starting. It will take some time, so we have to wait for it. Process is succeeded, and now click on close and also close the server manager. You can see down here a folder. Click on it and go to C drive. Double click on it and a folder named inetpub will be created. Double click on it and click on www root. Here we can see two files. Select both and delete. Now right click on it and create a new text file. Double click on it. This will be our web page, so we will write something on it. This is first web page site using server. Now click on save and save this file as index.html. Because index.html is the name used for home page of every website, and save as type all files and save. Now our web page is successfully created, and now click on this file to delete it, and now our web page is successfully created. Now we can check it and we can access our website through our public IP. So minimize our file and go to your management console and copy your public IP, and on any browser you can paste your public IP and click on enter. You can see our website is successfully created. This is our first website using Windows Server. In this way you can create your website or your web page using EC2 instance through RDP. Thanks for watching for my video. Please like this video. Thank you.